Hello everyone, I am Nishat, the faculty of Hindi in ISS Senior Secondary School, Perindal Manna. Today I am going to teach a poem from book Kiran of grade 8, and the name of the poem is Chodo Leek Purani. Chodo Leek Purani. The poet of this poem is Shri Krishna Saral. The name of the poet is Shri Krishna Saral. Dear children, I am going to divide this poem into two parts. That means I am going to make two videos of it so that it will be easy for you to listen it carefully, understand it and learn it properly. I am going to read the poem first of all. Then I will make a tune of this poem in a way of song so that you can learn it very easily. So let's start. छोड़ो लीक पुरानी छोड़ो, युग को नई दिशा में मोड़ो, प्रेरक बने अतीत तुम्हारा, नए क्षितिज की ओर चरण हो, नए लक्ष्य की ओर तुम्हारे, उन्मुख जीवन और मरण हो, छोड़ो लीक पुरानी छोड़ो, बीत गया सो बीत गया वह, तुमको वर्तमान गढ़ना है, नया ज्ञान उपलब्ध जिधर हो, तुमको उसी और बढ़ना है, छोड़ो लीक पुरानी छोड़ो, पास तुम्हारे अपनी संस्कृति, लक्ष्य नया विज्ञान तुम्हारा, नया सृजन इस महादेश का, अब यह हो अभिमान तुम्हारा, छोड़ो लीक पुरानी छोड़ो. Dear students, read this how I read it for you so that it will help you to clear your pronunciation. Now I am going to make a tune of this so that you can learn it very easily. छोड़ो लीक पुरानी छोड़ो, युग को नई दिशा में मोड़ो, प्रेरक बने अतीत तुम्हारा, नए क्षितिज की ओर चरण हो. ला 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 ला. नए लक्ष्य की ओर तुम्हारे, उन्मुख जीवन और मरण हो, छोड़ो लीक पुरानी छोड़ो, छोड़ो लीक पुरानी छोड़ो. ला 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 ला. बीत गया सो बीत गया वह, तुमको वर्तमान गढ़ना है, नया ज्ञान उपलब्ध जिधर हो, तुमको उसी ओर बढ़ना है. ला 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 ला. छोड़ो लीक पुरानी छोड़ो, पास तुम्हारे अपनी संस्कृति, लक्ष्य नया विज्ञान तुम्हारा, नया सृजन इस महादेश का. ला 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 ला. ला 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 ला. अब यह हो अभिमान तुम्हारा, छोड़ो लीक पुरानी छोड़ो, छोड़ो लीक पुरानी छोड़ो, युग को नई दिशा में मोड़ो. ला 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 ला. La 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 la. So children, this way you have to tune the poem. You can tune it in any other songs which you like so that you can learn this poem easily. And now this poem gives the message. Now let's look what is the message of this poem. So here the poet gives the message. Work for progressive changes. Here the poet says that the message of the poem is work for progressive changes. He inspires the youth to give new direction to the country to march towards a new horizon. The past has gone. It should only be a source of inspiration for them. The present is powerful enough to take the country forward. The youth have the rich treasure of our culture heritage. You must to learn balance between rich culture and modern scientific knowledge to touch the new heights. So here the poet wants all of us to leave our past behind and work for our present and future. Now I'll explain this poem line by line and let's go ahead. Chodo leek purani chodo. Now what is leek here? Leek is tradition. What is leek? Leek is tradition. Let's write on the board. The meaning of leek is tradition. Leek, tradition. You know what is tradition, okay? So here the poet asks all of us to leave the old tradition. He wants the young people of this generation, the youth of this generation, to leave the old tradition behind. Chodo leek purani. Purani means old tradition. Leave it. Yug ko nayi disha mein modo. And move the yug. Yug means this generation, your generation, into a new direction. Yug means generation. Disha, direction. So he is asking all of the young people, the youth of this generation, to move yourself into a new direction. That means just move to the new direction and do something for our country. Prerak bane atit tumhara. Prerak. Prerak means inspiration. Your inspiration is your past. Prerak bane atit tumhara. So he is telling all of the young of this, the youth of this generation, to leave the old tradition behind and take the generation to the new direction. Okay, because the past, atit means past, has gone. Okay, the past has gone. Naye Kshitij ki aur charan ho. And here the meaning of Kshitij is horizon. Horizon. You know what is horizon? Have you seen the horizon, my children? Yes. If you go to the seashore, you'll be able to see the horizon. When you look far away, you can see the sea and the sky is touching together. So that line is called the horizon. That is known as Kshitij. Okay. So here the poet wants the youth to move forward towards the new horizon, to march towards the new horizon, and you should have new aim inside you. Okay. Naye lakshya ki aur tumhare. He says that you all should have a new lakshya. Lakshya means aim. A-I-M, aim. I will give you the meaning later for each and every words. Just now listen it carefully. So, prerak bane atit tumhara. Your inspiration is past. So, the past is your inspiration, and leave the old tradition behind. Why? To take the new generation into the new direction. Past has gone and you should march towards the new horizon, Kshitij. And you should have a new aim inside you. Naye lakshya ki aur tumhare unmukh jeevan aur maran ho. Unmukh means intent. Unmukh means intent. You should have a big intent inside you. Okay. Your life and death should have some reason. The life and death of a person should have a reason. That means in his life and the period between life and death, the person should do something great, something good, that each and every one of this country, of other countries or of this world should remember you, your deeds. That means you do some good deeds, great deeds for the people of our country. Okay. Again the poet here says, Chodo leek purani chodo. And if you want to move ahead, do something good, do something great for our people, definitely you have to leave the old tradition and just move towards the new generation and new things, new innovations, etc. I hope you understand this much.